Since the past few years, there has been a rise in the number of individuals who have considered dental treatment overseas to save cash. A number of well-known options for travelers is dental crowns. Crowns for dental use are prosthetics designed to protect a damaged tooth or implant to restore its shape, size, and strength, as well as improving the appearance of the tooth. In terms of getting dental crowns at a price that is affordable, Turkey has become a sought-after destination thanks to the quality of its dental treatment for a reasonable price. What is the best way to Turkey contrast with other European countries with regards to price and high quality in dental crowns? Explore the difference between the cost of dental crowns in Turkey as well as Europe. Cost comparison. One of the major reasons people opt to have dental crowns made from Turkey is the significantly less costs compared with other European countries. In Turkey, the cost for a dental crown is between $200 and $400, and in Europe there is a range from $500 to $1,500 per crown. The price differences are due to the lower cost of labor as well as lower overhead costs and the cost-effectiveness living expenses in Turkey. Quality of care. Concerning the quality of treatment in terms of the quality of care, both Turkey as well as Europe possess highly trained and experienced dentists offering high-quality dental services. In Turkey, the majority of dentists had their education and experience through Europe or in the United States, and they utilize the latest technologies and procedures in their practices. In the same way, European countries have strict guidelines and requirements in dental care that ensure that patients receive top-quality care. One benefit of receiving dental crowns in Turkey is that a lot of dental clinics accommodate clients from all over the world and can provide treatments in a variety of languages. This makes it simpler for visitors to talk with their dentist. Furthermore, dental tourism in Turkey is increasing rapidly and has resulted in the construction of state-of-the-art facilities as well as modern technology at many dental clinics. Travel convenience. Another aspect to think about while deciding on whether to purchase dental crowns for Turkey and Europe is convenience for travel. Turkey is a favored tourist spot due to its rich culture, gorgeous landscapes, and a vibrant cultural scene. Visitors can also combine the dental procedure and a trip to explore some of the most famous sites like the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul or the old Ephesus ruins. Ephesus. The other side of the coin is that European countries provide a vast selection of experiences in culture and sites, ranging starting from the Eiffel Tower in Paris and the Colosseum in Rome. It is also easy to navigate Europe's public transportation infrastructure, which is well connected to railways and airports that make traveling easy between different countries. In general, both Turkey as well as Europe both offer top-quality dental treatment with affordable prices, making these countries popular options in dental tourism. The choice of where the best place to receive dental crowns will depend on the individual's preferences along with budgets as well as travel plans. Patients need to research and contrast the various options, read about their experiences, and talk to dentists in order to receive the highest quality treatment. The bottom line is that getting dental crowns at a low cost in Turkey in comparison to Europe gives travelers an affordable solution that is high quality and safe. No matter if you visit Turkey to enjoy its reasonable cost and modern amenities or Europe because of its unique cultural experience as well as convenient transport options, be confident that you will get excellent dental treatment at any place.